What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I've been seeing a lot of people that aren't subscribed watching the videos, and this is a good place for you to learn some magic, enjoy yourself, and just have fun overall. I'm trying a new background thing going on right here. Got the lighting looking like a gamer setup a little bit, but I'm gonna do some cool stuff today. I'm actually gonna teach you how to vanish a playing card like they do in the movie Now You See Me. So I've seen a lot of people do this on TikTok, and I wanted to kind of just show you guys how it's done, and it's pretty fun. So what does it look like? You take the card, throw it up, and you take it back. And that's how you do it. Now, I'm going to show you the basic way of doing this done, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to take a playing card. So get your playing card. I'll give you a minute to get it. Grab one, and what you're going to do, if you need, pause this so you can get one. And what you're going to do is you're going to take the playing card, and I like to call this doing a Spider-Man. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the card, you know, pretty much do this, but it's going to look like that on this side. But you're going to take it, you're going to Spider-Man, and you're going to take your pointer finger and your pinky finger, and you're going to curl back. And that's what it's actually doing. And that's called a back palm. So, super simple. Just take it. And that's what it looks like from the magician's angle, but from your angle, that's what it looks like. So it's disappeared, and it comes back. That's what they do in the movie. Now I'm going to show you guys a little subtlety in how to get away with some. So what you can do is you can also take a back palm and switch it to a normal palm. So what you can do is you can take the card, and you're going to make it vanish. And then what you do is you have to kind of do this down scoop thing. So you're going to take your hand and you're going to curl in, but you're going to pull these fingers up. So you go from here, and you kind of want to keep it bent like that, but you're going to kind of do this motion with your hand where you're kind of like, it looks like you're scooping. So what it looks like is you get your card, you make it vanish, and then you have to do this like scoop move so you can show the back of your hand. And then if you want to go back to your back palm, you're just going to curl these fingers in like Spider-Man again. You're going to do a motion with it and show. So it's a little bit weird. It's a little knacky. You got to definitely practice in the mirror to get that. But that is a little subtlety on how to get a card to, or make it look like your hand is completely empty. Another variation of the back palm too is that you can take the card, you can show your hand, and what you're going to do is you're actually going to wave your hand over, and then you do the back palm like that. So you just wave your hand over, show both hands empty, and then you can wave it back, and it comes back. And that is another variation of how to do the back palm. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to subscribe. I want to do more tutorials, kind of show you guys some stuff. I know this was a little fun one. I know a lot of people like the movie Now You See Me, and that's a fun little piece that you can learn. So hopefully you can do it to fool your friends and just make a card vanish, whether if you want to just do it for the video, or if you actually have a passion for magic and you want to kind of get started. It's a little something to get you going. But be sure to check out more of my magic videos and tutorials. I put a link up above somewhere. Check it out, that way you can learn and fool your friends. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.